If you've ever tried decorating a small home, whether it be a condo, an apartment, or even a cabin, you know that it can be a little bit of a puzzle, or a lot of one. After owning 2 Airbnb cabins, let me tell you, I have learned so much about decorating a tiny space. Today, I am sharing with you the biggest lessons that I've learned, what to buy, what not to buy, and tiny space maximizing tips and tricks that made a huge difference in my small spaces. The first lesson I learned, your furniture cannot be lazy. It cannot serve just one purpose. It has to be double duty or maybe even triple duty. For example, a sofa is great, but a sofa that can turn into a comfy bed, that is even better, and that was an absolute must when we renovated our tiny cabin. We only had 1 small bedroom and wanted to have some extra sleeping space in the house. This comfy sofa bed turned our living room into an extra guest sleeping space, and we even made the sofa bed extra comfy by adding a nice foam topper that stored right inside the sofa. Same thing with the tiny coffee table in here. It had to serve 2 purposes. So this one I found at IKEA. It's really small, but it has all of these extra storage spaces, like these shelves underneath for books and games, plus this little nook in the side for a basket that we can put all sorts of things into. It also has wheels on the bottom, so it was really easy to roll away when guests wanted extra floor space or they wanted to pop open that sofa bed. Nightstands that hide clutter are an absolute must for me in any small space. I'm never again gonna just get tables with no added storage. I especially like closed storage drawers on nightstands so you can hide clutter in a space. And one of my favorite small space double duty furniture hacks is a bar cart that also serves as a rolling books and games cart. And we have this one in our lake house, and our guests love it. It's so stylish and it's really easy to move around and turn back into a bar cart when it needs to be. And then here are the IKEA pieces that I swear were made for tiny spaces just like our cabins. This TV stand, sure, you could use it as it's made for, a TV stand, but I especially love it incorporated into this hook wall in the entry of our lake house. There's all the extra storage underneath the drawers and the shelves for shoes, accessories. Plus it's nice and sturdy. We've had it in this place for 5 years now and it still looks great. I also love the Hemnes nightstands. We had them in our tiny cabin, and I love that they have some drawers where you can hide unsightly items and make everything look nice and clean and uncluttered. I also updated them with some pull wrap on the drawer fronts to give them some texture, some paint, and some new drawer pulls. I also really love this IKEA rattan storage stool. You can use it as a coffee table, but then open it up and inside you can place things like linens, extra pillows, etc. Small spaces need furniture that works, so always be on the lookout for double duty furniture in smaller scales like these. Lesson 2 is something that I have avoided in the past, but I definitely learned that you need to take advantage of vertical space in your small home. In our little lake house, we needed to create an office nook in this living room. Before, this wall was just a bare blank wall, didn't serve any purpose, but after we installed these 2 IKEA PAX units, one on each side of the wall, then we floated a shelf in between to act as an office desk. I also added crown molding on top of the wardrobe units to make them look more like built-ins. Now, not only do we have an amazing work from home office space for our guests, but we also have tons of storage in these floor to ceiling PAX wardrobe units. Everything from clothing storage to storage for things that people use for our bonfires outside to cleaning storage and everything in between. We also added tons of floating shelves on the walls in our tiny cabin. We added some in the kitchen for storage over the microwave, and then we also added one in the bedroom for seasonal storage, put a rod underneath for clothing. So when your floor space is tight, build up. Make sure you take advantage of that wall space and use that for storage. There were definitely some things we had to get rid of when we purchased our first lake house. The big bulky furniture in the living room just did not make sense for the space. Same with the oversized dressers in the bedrooms. When we swapped them out for smaller furniture pieces, it made the spaces feel so much bigger. We also floated the biggest furniture piece in the living room, which is this navy blue sectional, in the middle of the room, and that also made the floor space feel so much bigger too. Now, a cozy space does not mean filling every single corner of your space, even if you really want to. A small room feels a lot better when there's some breathing room. Make sure you have some clear floor space, clear wall space, surfaces that don't have any decor on them. Texture, warm lighting, maybe some oversized art, and mostly a neutral color palette is gonna make your small space feel cozy, but not cluttered. And using all of those elements helped make our cabins feel relaxing and not busy. We really wanted to create a space that our guests would feel at peace in. And the best part, creating this cozy space doesn't have to cost a lot. You can find things like side table lamps at the thrift store. You can print artwork at your local coffee shop that you get for free online. Natural textures in throws and throw pillows are usually really inexpensive to find. All of these make a huge impact and don't take up a lot of space. Now, small spaces feel so much bigger when every area in your home has a specific job or purpose. Instead of arranging random furniture everywhere, I created zones in our cabins through the placement of the furniture and accessories. We created a little reading corner with a rattan chair, a table, and a lamp, plus a little basket of comfy throw blankets. We created a very small dining nook in our tiny cabin with a small round table and 4 chairs. We created a drop zone in this small entryway with a floor-to-ceiling IKEA closet and some hooks on the wall. Guests knew exactly where to put things and nothing piled up. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference, and I'm so proud of how we renovated these 2 cabins and how they functioned for us and our guests. So if you're decorating a small home, a small cabin, apartment, condo, remember your space may be small, but it can still be cozy and beautiful. Pick furniture that works hard, double-duty pieces, go vertical with your storage, create little zones with furniture placement in your space, and your small space is gonna feel like a retreat. If you loved this video, you're gonna wanna watch this video next where I share tons more of my favorite tricks to make your small space feel larger, cozier, and work really well for you. Click here to watch that one next.